YouTube, we're just back with another sound test of the Cambridge Audio Go Minx portable wireless system. As for all my other videos, I put a few items around it just for scale so you can kind of see the size, and we have the microphone in the middle of the room so you can kind of really get the kind of room filling sound that it has. This song's by Howler. It's a really funky one with a bit of a dubstep mixed in with it as well, and it's called OK Boogie. I think you'll like it, so here you go. Okay, so there's just another quick sound test. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope that my microphone really did capture that really punchy bass that this speaker is producing. It is one of my favourite features of the speaker. It just sounds absolutely lovely. Thanks for watching.